All in all, understanding this handy English phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase in the English language. All in all. Whether you've come across this phrase in a book, heard it in a conversation, or seen it somewhere on the internet, you might be wondering what it means and how you can use it in your own speech. So, let's break it down and help you add another useful expression to your English learning journey. All in all is a phrase that serves as an idiomatic expression, which means it's used in a way that's not directly linked to the individual meanings of the words it contains. Instead, it conveys a new, unique meaning as a whole. When someone uses the phrase, all in all, they're generally summing up or concluding a statement, implying, considering everything, or overall. Let's look at some examples to see how it's used in context. After discussing various aspects of a movie, someone might say, all in all, it was a good film. In a business meeting, a manager might conclude a report by saying, all in all, this quarter's performance was excellent. The origin of idiomatic expressions can often help in understanding and remembering them. The phrase, all in all, has been used for centuries and originates from the idea of wholeness or completeness. Over time, it has come to mean considering all aspects or everything about a subject. To get a better grasp of all in all, let's create some sentences together. I'll provide a scenario, and we'll formulate a sentence using our phrase. Scenario 1, you're summarizing your vacation experience. Possible sentence. All in all, the trip was the adventure of a lifetime, despite a few rainy days. Scenario 2, you're giving an opinion on a new restaurant. Possible sentence. The appetizers were so-so, but all in all, the dinner was delightful. Scenario 3, reflecting on your school year. Possible sentence. All in all, I learned a lot this year, even though it was challenging at times. While all in all is a simple phrase, there can still be confusion. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Do not use it to start a list of details. It's used for summarizing. Avoid using all in all when only one aspect of a subject is being discussed. It's best for overall assessments. Thank you for watching our video on the phrase, all in all. We hope that you now have a good understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it effectively in your conversations and writing. Keep practicing, and soon, all in all, your English will be better than ever. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, happy learning!